Yo, what is up, everybody? Today we're in the heart of Osaka, Dotonbori. This place, if you guys want entertainment, you come here. If you want food, you come here. If you want drinks, you come here. You come to the famous Running Man. Guys, it's lively here. This is what Osaka is all about. Guys, the best part about Japan is they still love their gacha gacha. It's a bunch of toys and like gumball machines. And here, the most unique part about them, you can put your luggage in lockers and just leave. Man, that's just something crazy to even think about. Guys, I finally made it to Tsutenkaku Tower. This is the landmark in Osaka. In this area, guys, there's food, bars, games, everything you can imagine. The nightlife here is bumping. I definitely recommend it. What is up, everybody? So finally we are in this lovely area called
Shinsekai.
And we're about to go up this lovely tower.
Tsutenkaku.
These names are really hard for me to pronounce, but that's why I have her. She's my translator. But anywho, guys, this city is so lively over here. Alright guys, we're about to enter the tower now. To enter, it's about 1,000 yen just to go up the slide. The slide's about 20 meters above ground, so it's not too scary. Yo, what up, everybody? So right now we're doing this amazing tower slide. What tower is this?
Tsutenkaku.
So you can go on top and ride down the slide all the way back on the bottom. It's a must-do here. Woo! See? That's what I mean. Hello everybody, we finally made it to the top of the tower here, Tsutenkaku. I think I said it right, probably butchered it. But rumor has it you gotta rub his feet for good luck. What's up, everybody? This place is called Zao, and you basically just go fishing for your own food. It's a pretty cool concept. So you go, you fish, and you put it right on the grill. This guy was struggling for a little bit, but he eventually got it.
No pressure. No pressure.
Here we finally made it to the Umeda Sky Tower, and guys, the view here is astonishing. You see the whole city skyline, only for 2,000 yen, so you really can't beat it. Wow. Yo, what is up, everybody? We finally made it to the top of the Osaka Tower. This gives you a whole 360 view of the city, and it is phenomenal. We came just in time for sunset, so it's kind of crowded, but it's well worth the wait. It's like a 30-minute wait, but you guys can't beat it, you know what I mean? Good morning, everybody. Today, we're finally at the Osaka Castle, one of their famous landmarks here. This castle was built in 1597. It survived many wars over here. It shows how strong the Japan people are and their country, how resilient they are. They survived many wars. World War I, World War II, and now it's still here. Look at it. Look at this beauty.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Listen up, everybody. This is the place to be. This is the best local Japanese barbecue in town. There might be a wait, but it's well worth it. The food quality is something out of this world. And the best part is, it's the local people in here that make it so much better. This place holds about, 12 people, so guys, you get the Japanese vibes for sure. Oh, geez. Very good. And hot. Beef tongue, guys. Beef tongue.